How to fix Amazon A to Z app not working. Whether it's not loading, crashing, or showing error messages, this can be a major hassle when you need to access your schedule, pay stubs, or other important information. In this guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix the Amazon A to Z app not working step by step. Let's dive in. First up, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now, head towards the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Heading towards next solution, update the Amazon A to Z app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Amazon A to Z and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're gonna find different apps. Find the app Amazon A to Z, open it, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. With that, your problem might be resolved. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once completion of deletion process, you can launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Amazon A to Z, and then install it. And that's how you fix the Amazon A to Z app when it's not working. With these quick fixes, you will be back to managing your work schedule and accessing all the features you need in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.